Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting the aperture insert, because the shape defines the bokeh. Take black paper and trace your chosen shape, circle, heart, star. Then cut a center hole 5 to 20 mm wide depending on how large you want the blur. Once done, glue or stack 2-3 sheets for rigidity so the insert holds its form near the lens. Make sure to leave an outer ring to mount it on the lens. This keeps light from leaking and preserves sharp edges in the bokeh. Next, you mount the insert and set up the scene. Attach the paper aperture over the front of your lens using tape, a rubber band, or a snug hood mount. Secure it so it won't shift. Then open the lens to a wide aperture, f/1, 8 to f/4, since wider settings produce larger, softer bokeh. Once mounted, compose with your subject close to the camera and background lights well separated. That distance compresses the lights into clear-shaped highlights, which is why, to finish, fine-tune focus and exposure so the background lights resolve into your chosen shapes. You'll want to rack focus slowly until the highlights form clean outlines. Small camera shifts change the blur character. If shapes look warped or faint, make sure the insert is perfectly centered and that no light leaks around the ring. Recut or reinforce the aperture if needed. Finally, balance ISO and shutter speed. Brighten background lights or lower ISO with a slower shutter to maintain clean, noise-free bokeh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.